Hello my friends, it's time for an unboxing video because when I bought my desktop computer in 2017, 4 years ago, oh my gosh, might be time for me to replace it. It did not come with a DVD writer player, and so I bought this at the time thinking I would need it to play games, load software, do all that kind of stuff, and guess what? The tape is still on the box. I never needed it until today because the laptop that I have with the DVD in it, and I'm trying to like do something that's on a DVD, is not working. So I am going to open this after 4 long years. That's right. That's right. This is a time capsule. This is a, well, at least I know it's going to work. It should work with my desktop computer. So let's see what's in this box, if I can open this without destroying it. Why do they make these so like crazy difficult to open? I just want to get to the product. Alright. So, cable. Well, that's nice to have that right at the top where one might use scissors to see if I would maybe have damaged this. No, it looks like I didn't damage it. Alright. What else? The box is empty now. Looks like a disc. Because, you know, disc player. Oh my gosh, this thing is so lightweight, and it looks like an Apple product, even though it's not, because it's that typical Apple white. How crazy is this? There's like one port on the back, so reset hole there. There's this button there. I guess the tray will open once it's powered. That's it. Boy, is that simple. Okay, let's see what the software is. Media Suite, and a limited warranty, and a setup guide. And the Media Suite, I'm sure, is just bloatware. All I need to enrich my digital life. And I'm probably not going to install that. Let's take a quick look at the setup guide here. Let's show you guys how big this is in case it's a issue, but this thing is super thin. This is just over a ½ inch thick. This is just over 5¼ inches by just over 5½ inches. Okay. This should be just plug and play, right? Yeah, this looks like you just plug it in and it plays. Alright, cool. Oh, you can plug it into your TV set. Oh, how cool is that? Alright, well, that's all I got for you. I hope you liked this video. If this helped you, please smash like. And, oh, here, let's see how long the cable is, because that might be an issue for some people. We're using this in an office configuration. So I'm saying, let's see. Cable is just under 2 feet long. I'd say it's 1 foot 11 inches long. Okay. Alright guys, have a great day. See if you can help somebody today, and smash like and subscribe and comment below if you have questions. Take care.